Hello educators! If you're a teacher looking to introduce microdrones into your classroom, you're in the right place. Today we'll discuss some of the tips for flying microdrones indoors with your students, allowing you to fly every time you have your class. Flying microdrones indoors can be a fun and engaging educational activity. However, it's important to ensure that you comply with the necessary regulations to prioritise safety. Let's get one thing straight. Educators are turned to be flying model aircraft when flying drones up to 7 kilos. CASA has a page just for drones in schools if you want to get a clearer idea of the definition. As a teacher, you are defined as flying microdrones indoors for sport and recreation purposes, so you need to comply with Subpart 101B. This means you must avoid creating hazards for other aircraft, people or property. So to ensure compliance, we recommend implementing the following safety measures during your indoor drone activities. Number 1, clear flight lanes. So create designated flight lanes within your classroom to prevent drones from colliding with each other or objects. This promotes safe and controlled flights. Establishing clear flight lanes allows for organised and controlled drone movements, minimising the risk of accidents or collisions. Number 2, safety areas. Designate specific areas marked by lines on the ground where students should stand or move behind during drone flights. This provides an added layer of protection. Safety areas create a boundary between the drone's flight path and the students, ensuring everyone's safety and reducing the chances of accidents. Number 3, safety glasses. Prioritise eye safety by providing and encouraging the use of safety glasses for both teachers and students during drone activities. Safety glasses help protect the eyes from any potential debris or accidental contact with the drone, ensuring a safe learning environment. Number 4, safety briefings. Before each drone activity, conduct safety briefings to educate your students on the proper behaviour and precautions to follow during the flights. Safety briefings are crucial to ensuring that all students understand the rules, procedures, and potential risks associated with flying microdrones indoors. It also makes a really good behaviour management strategy because you can refer back to that safety briefing when students are pushing those boundaries. By following the necessary regulations and implementing a few technical measures, we can create a safe and engaging learning environment for our students. Remember to establish clear flight lanes, mark safety areas on the ground, and prioritise personal safety by wearing protective glasses and doing a safety briefing at the beginning of every lesson. Find out more at SheMaps, a STEM education company that wants to get your students flying with drones and exploring the world of geospatial information systems. You can find out more at www.shemaps.com.